Hello, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to apply blush across cheeks easily with PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on Edit, then choose your image, and after that click on Portrait, then Makeup. Wait a few seconds and here you can find blush. We can choose from different types. For example, let's see, Crush. Then you can even choose the color you would like to use. I will go with some pinky one, and you can make it a bit bigger, make it more visible. And if you are satisfied with the result, then click on the check mark and ready to go. Thank you for your kind attention.